This is a continuation from one of the earlier videos where we discussed solving quadratic polynomials containing irrational coefficients. Now look at this question. There are two integer coefficients, but there's just one irrational coefficient in the middle. So again, we're going to split the middle term. Now, sum of two numbers which is equal to 2 root 2. Now clearly these two numbers are going to be like terms and they're also going to contain a term root 2 in both of them. So I'm going to assume these two terms as a root 2 plus b root 2, that is equal to 2 root 2. Now the product of the same two numbers would be equal to 1 into minus 6. I'm going to bring a root 2 into b root 2 because these two numbers are only these. Okay, a root 2 into b root 2, which is equal to minus 6. Root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. So 2ab is equal to minus 6. ab becomes equal to minus 3. From this, we get this result such as a plus b is equal to 2. That's because I've divided the whole of this equation by root 2 on both sides. So what can be that two numbers? Sum of whose is 2 and the product of the numbers is minus 3. So clearly a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 1, which means we can now factorize and write the two terms as x plus a root 2 which is 3 root 2 times x minus 1 root 2. So these are the two factors of this polynomial. Now if you equate it to 0, x becomes minus 3 root 2 and x becomes root 2. These are the two roots. We'll discuss one more question. X square minus root 3 plus 1 into x plus root 3. Again, in this, the sum of the two numbers is equal to minus of root 3 plus 1. What can those two numbers be? It is just minus root 3 and minus 1. Product of the two numbers is 1 into root 3. The two numbers are clearly minus root 3 and minus 1. So this is also minus root 3 and minus 1. So it should have been minus root 3 and minus 1. The two factors can just be written like this because the coefficient of x square is 1. If you equate it to 0, you will get x is equal to root 3 and x is equal to 1. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section.